Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Make sure developer mode is enabled and your Quest app is installed. Back up your app data and note the current version so you can restore if needed. Now open the Quest app, sign into the developer account, and navigate straight to the app listing. This first step locks in safety and gives you context. Once done, you'll be ready to pick a different version without risking your saved settings or credentials. You now use the version switcher. Find it in the app settings or developer portal and open the version list. Review the changelog and compatibility notes so you understand behavioral differences and required runtime. Select the target version and confirm the switch. The system will push the selected build to the headset. While installing, watch progress and check for prompts. If an update requires a restart, make sure to allow it. Otherwise, the app may not load the new binaries correctly. Finish by launching the app and verifying the version number and core features work as expected. Test key flows and peripherals. Make sure tracking and permissions are intact. If something breaks, first clear the app cache or roll back to your backup version to restore a working state. If problems persist, capture logs and error messages before contacting support so you can explain what failed. One quick troubleshooting tip: reboot the headset after switching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.